Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably thinking about deleting your Crypto.com app account, and that's totally okay. Maybe you're switching to a different crypto platform, tightening up your digital security, or just decluttering your apps. Whatever the reason, this full guide for 2025 will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Crypto.com app on your mobile device. If you're not, go ahead and sign in now. Once you're in, head over to the profile section. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. It's that little avatar or initials. Now, in the profile menu, look for Settings or Account Settings. This is where all the good stuff is. Scroll down until you see options related to your account management, like Security or Account Information. Once you're there, find the Delete Account option. It might be labeled as Close Account or something similar, so keep an eye out. Before you proceed, Crypto.com will likely ask you to verify your identity. This could mean entering a PIN, using two-factor authentication, or even answering security questions. This step is crucial to prevent unauthorized access, so don't skip it. After verification, you'll probably be prompted to confirm why you're deleting your account. Select the reason that best fits. Options might include not using the app anymore or privacy concerns. Then, hit the Confirm button. A final warning will pop up, reminding you that this action is permanent and you'll lose access to your account data. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm. Once it's done, your account will be deleted, and you might need to uninstall the app from your device. That's it, you've successfully deleted your Crypto.com account. Just a quick tip. Before you start this process, double-check that you've withdrawn any funds or backed up important transaction history, as you won't be able to access it afterward. If you run into any issues, Crypto.com's support team is there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tech guides. See you next time.